testing the water. So there's a scale on the back to show you alkalinity, pH, and total hardness. And free available chlorine.
If you have a pool service, this is a nice, fast, easy way to test in between their testing. So you want to hold the test strip by the end, taking care not to get any of the other test strips wet. Dip kind of deep into the pool or spa to get a good representative of the water that's in the a little bit medium to lower levels of the water. As I'm making this video, I'm seeing that this can be a really good way to kind of document what your chemicals are at. Take a photo, send it to yourself. It's time stamped, date stamped, and as the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. This can be a nice way or an addition to logging the records.
So we're looking at about
6
on the chlorine, between 5 and 10. 80 on the alkalinity, so it's about 7.4 on the pH, and total hardness right around 200. It's pretty good. Chlorine's a little high.
So now I have a pool service taking care of the pool, so they take care of all this, but I'm double checking.
It's maybe 6 or 7 on the chlorine. It looks pretty good.
And the way I would lower this chlorine I've showed in other videos, but I drag some of the water over to the pool when I'm vacuuming the spa, and that's a good way to lower it, diluting it with fresh water, which also helps reduce the total hardness. Here was the test on the pool. Things look good there. Chlorine was a little bit lower. I like the chlorine around 3 parts per million, as that's the disinfectant. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.